believe it or not, this is the Carbon Oasis. I just want to have a chat about philosophy. As you know, I don't use chemicals, and I'm trying to maximise carbon sequestration. Now that comes with some hazards. This is a beautiful looking aroma until we get to here, where a bird has decided it was worth taking a mouthful out of there. Now for me, that's still a perfectly edible tomato. If I was not cooking the tomato and using it for a salad, I'd probably excise that bit and use the remaining 90%. If I'm cooking, I'd cut it in half along the hole and fry it. So to me, we've got to live with nature, and that means letting nature have its bit, because nature's giving us all of this. Peace, love and light.